In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix could not find game you was looking for on Among Us. The first step to be able to fix this and to be able to play with your friends on Among Us is to go down to settings, and once you click on settings, as you will notice now, there is an option for you to censor your chat. So make sure that you and your friends have the same chat settings. If your friend has their censor chat on, you should also have your censor chat on, and if they have it off, you should also have it off. Now, another thing that you need to do is to click on the play button and head over to online. At the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the regions. Once you click on this, you'll be able to change your region. Now make sure that you and your friends are on the same region to be able to join and play the same room on Among Us. Now if you have done this and you still can't join the game or the room code that your friend sent you, that simply means that that room is already full, or that room has started the game on Among Us. With all of this set up on your account, you should be able to join your friends on a room on Among Us. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.